Welcome to our complete guide on CapCut video editing. Today, we'll explore the features that make this app popular among creators. First, let's look at the workspace. Here's how to navigate the CapCut interface efficiently. Now, let's import our media files. You can easily drag and drop your videos and photos right into CapCut. It's time to dive into some basic editing skills. We will learn how to cut, trim, and split clips seamlessly. Now we move to advanced techniques. Discover how to apply transitions and effects to enhance your video. Adding text and titles can give your video a polished look. Let's explore the tools and tips for best results. Sound design is crucial. Here's how to add music and sound effects perfectly aligned with your video's theme. Once you're done editing, it's time to export your video. Let's check out the formats and quality settings available. Finally, learn how to share your creations. We'll delve into social media integrations and some tips for getting noticed. That's a wrap on our CapCut editing tutorial. Remember these best practices as you embark on your creative journey.